welcome to Dead by Daylight by Snorty Honkers.
Yeah. Wow.
Bye. Oh my god.
Bye.
I made this game, damn it!
It was me. I'm kind of the pro.
Alright.
You need to use the thumbstick left or right. Press Y. Y. So many Ys.
Alright. Okay. Okay. B. A. Okay.
It's funny, in the little overlay on the stream,
Yeah.
Pride's paw is like right on your head, like touching your head, like this. You should check it out.
What?
There's like a little, you know, like a little paw kind of overlap.
I see it, yes, I see it.
When you're in your resting position there, it's like I am touching mom.
Oh. Well, Pride likes to touch mom, so.
Go and hit Y.
Alright. Alright, guys, let's see how terrible I'll do. I'm not very good at this game.
There's another Meg Thomas, almost identical to you.
I know.
Oh, there's another Meg Thomas, too. There's so many.
Uh-oh.
It's an attack of the Megs.
It is. And the old man.
Let us know what you guys think is like the best character to play as, because we're still kind of learning this game.
I'm terrified. I really hope there's no clowns.
You won't know what it is until it's
I
like
know.
up in your face.
That's so scary.
So you remember what the buttons do?
I'll figure them out.
There's not too many though, and
No,
they're mostly
so.
the triggers and the bumpers. And most of the time they tell you like what you're about to do
Yeah.
on screen. Like press X to do whatever. You know.
Yeah. Shelter Woods. I don't even know where the hell I am. How do I run?
Okay, ready. He's right up ahead, I think. There's also a generator straight ahead. I would crouch. Crouch now. See him?
I do see him.
Okay, go to the right and get that generator. Yeah. Get ready with your left bumper. You see that guy is being taken over there, so as soon as you can, try to go save him.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, shit.
Shut up. Stop talking.
He's coming. Run. Run. Yeah. Pick a direction and just forward, and then turn the camera left or right. There's a guy hooked right there.
Ah! Oh, no! Oh, my God.
Just keep running in any direction.
I'm working on it.
You're good.
Oh, I can't mind myself.
Someone's hooked, I think. Oh, wait.
This guy's good.
Yeah. Where is he? He heard a heartbeat, so he's close. Look around.
Oh,
There
shit.
he is. Okay, he's going that way. If you go the opposite way, you'll be good.
So loud.
There. Start working on that. Look to the right. Oh god!
Ah!
Oh, it's the creature from Stranger Things.
Oh my god!
Don't worry, your buddies are nearby.
Here we go! Oh. Ah!
Just wait.
I'm waiting.
You can look around. See, they're gonna get you. From one Meg Thomas to another. That guy just got down. You can get him up.
Oh god, there's a guy right there.
Ah!
Oh. Oh!
No! Run!
I'm running! Oh no!
There's 3 on the floor right now. You can crawl.
Oh my god, how do I crawl? I have to... Okay, I'll crawl.
This guy's really good. Okay, try to. Okay, it's just game over now because the other guy's hooked.
Oh no! Oh no!
Gotcha.
Yo!
Just wiggle. Just
Hi! Someone said in chat.
wiggle. Yo.
Yo!
Go on, Nick. I'm a little careful to say the rest of the name. There's no point.
No, I will. I
You can't
will.
get out of it.
Huh?
You can't get out of it by struggling.
Fine.
Just accept your stabby spikes.
Yay! Oh, that was terrible!
So as you can see, watchers, we're pros. We like to take ourselves seriously.
We're terrible.
It's okay. It doesn't matter. This is not the pro stream.
Oh my god. Did I get anything?
You got some triangles.
Yay! I got boldness.
Hey, why?
Hey! Hi! Hi, Nick. How are you doing? Alright.
Hoping you're having a spooky Sunday just like us.
Spooky, spooky. There was no piggies this
I think
time.
I know what happened last time. I've been playing on my account this whole time. So this is playing under your Steam account. But up until now, I've been playing under mine.
Why?
I don't know. That's just what I've been doing.
Oh.
But you're the one who bought it, right?
Nice feet. Thank you. Yes, yes, I'm the one that bought it.
So then, yeah, I think it makes sense that we do this on your account.
Yeah.
Also, if people encounter you randomly, press Y. If people encounter you randomly online and they recognize you, be like, they want to know that it's you. And
Oh, I don't think I changed my name on Steam.
Oh, I think you did.
Or, yeah, maybe I did. Okay.
I'm pretty sure.
Okay, we'll check.
I think I remember that because when I signed into Steam, I saw one of the top pages said Snorty Honkers.
Oh, okay.
So we're all good.
You are
I'm
most
ready to get
welcome.
spooked.
Sunday fun day. Yes, Sunday fun day.
Sunday fun day. Sunday spook day.
Yes, Sunday spooky day. Oh my
Alright.
gosh, that killer was really good.
I officially need some other type of chair or something because this is okay, but I need something else. So I will have to find something.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. I'm on off camera. I'm on some sort of like, you know, collapsible chair thing that goes in the ground.
That I found, but I guess it's not good enough.
I mean,
Where the hell is it?
I don't know.
Where is it?
Where's what?
Where's the generator I just heard?
Right there, to your right.
Oh, right there. Oh. Oh my god! There you go.
Repair it.
I'm repairing it. I'm repairing it.
Watch out. There's
Shit.
she's nearby. Run, run. Run! You're crouching.
I'm running!
What's
Hey
up?
guys! I mean,
Hey guys, welcome. I'm being stabbed.
yes. Hi, hi, little Juan. How are you? Long time no see.
Long time no stab.
Yes. Save me, people. Save me.
Someone's gonna save you like right now.
Save me, please. Thank you.
Okay, now you can get that generator.
Where is it?
Oh, run away. Just run. Run to your right. Why are you trying to hide? She came right at you. You were like, maybe if I just crouch, she'll just forget. I'm like, where'd she go? You're just like, she came right up to you and you just basically sat there and you're like, well, don't get me. I sacrificed myself.
Yes.
But you are recovering quite well.
Because she's trying to get someone else, I think.
Someone will come along and help you out. Now you have to look around and find someone to help you. All alone.
I know. I'm all alone, guys.
Look
I
around.
just came back from Italy. Oh my god, that's cool.
Well, that's fun.
I want to go to
Pizza
Italy.
pasta, I'm sure.
Come save me. I'll go crawl towards you.
Okay, it looks like this person's coming to you.
Come find me. No. Save me.
At least now you're at a point where you can be, you can like get up and run if you needed to.
Yeah. Thank you for saving me.
Alright. Run.
I'm running.
She's coming. Go, follow her.
Oh, someone got stabbed. She's like has some weird like dragon, like some goat.
Some goat.
Some goat.
Go to that person that's hooked.
I'm going. Oh, am I not going the right way?
You're going the right way. Eventually you'll have to go down.
Oh shit. Oh!
Jesus.
Oh! Oh!
Turn!
Oh my god!
Turn again.
Oh!
Oh no.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Ah!
Run!
I'm running!
I'm running! I'm doing it! Oh no, you didn't.
Oh no! Oh no! Wiggle! Wiggle! Oh no! I'm going in the basement! No!
There's another person hooked there. Struggle.
Save me! Save me!
Hopefully someone's coming. Keep it up.
No! Ah! Oh well.
That's okay.
That's alright.
You know what
You're
though?
bad.
We just like to be a distraction for the other people.
I don't care if I'm bad.
I'm God.
Oh my god.
That's okay.
Weird. Did I get anything?
We'll take someone to carry us. Hit A. There you go. It's always nice when you're just starting out at a game and there's someone there who like is willing to just level you up. Some high level person.
Yeah.
CS 1v1? No. Counter Strike?
Why are you sleepy? Stop yawning.
No. There's Steve Harrington from Stranger Things.
Oh.
He's a cool guy. I don't know the other ones.
I don't know the other ones either.
I kind of like the guest ones. Winner gets knife.
No.
No. It was like a Grand Theft Auto stream.
No.
No. Hashtag no. Dot dot dot.
Yes.
Come on, Steve Harrington. Come on, Twinito.
I know, right?
His name was Twinito. My name is Tonito. Bobo Benton. People are really looking at all their stuff, I guess.
Oh my god, just pick something. Hashtag no.
Hashtag no.
Little one said
Yeah.
hashtag no.
Exactly.
You guys should do hashtag broken toe.
But that should be like one of your bits, one of your little like your emojis.
It's just no.
Mm-hmm.
Or hashtag broken toe.
Yes, a broken toe like emoji.
Hashtag sexy toe.
Sexy toe, wiggle toe.
Wiggle toe.
Mm-hmm.
Hashtag wiggle toe. Oh my god.
It's super cute that you have the fucking like multiple pumpkins in your background right now. Pumpkin stream.
Yes, pumpkin stream. Halloween stream.
Mm-hmm. So far, you've been able to escape once.
Shush.
Let's,
These are really hard
no,
killers.
what I'm saying is, let's see if you can do it again. I bet you can.
These are really hard killers, it feels like.
Mm-hmm. Try to stick with someone.
I'm trying, but they all just run away from me. They don't like me. Come follow me.
The last thing you want to do is like be super far away when someone needs help.
Oh my god, how
I guess that's run. Run. Run, 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 run. Now you know the controls, right? There's between run and crouch. There's a generator.
Where?
Right here, on your left. On
My
your
left.
That's right. Left now. There. Left. See it? I would look around though. It's the only thing.
Oh fuck. Oh.
Now you run. Now you run in a random direction. Go.
Ah! Oh no! Oh, don't eat me. Please don't eat me. Oh, I escaped. Oh, good.
Try to find a chest in here.
So dark. Oh, I can repair.
Mend self. Get ready.
Oh my god.
That's good to know. Now you can hide inside one of those. If you were like okay, you hear them that they're nearby, right?
Yeah.
Maybe you can get the guys on the hooks.
Hold on. Oh my gosh.
Now. Look where you're going. You're like, just in case, right? Alright, you can get that generator.
No, he's right there! He's right there!
Shit!
Ah!
Got you! He grabs you by the neck. Wiggle!
I'm wiggling!
Wiggle harder!
I'm wiggling! Save me!
Save me!
Save me, please!
He's dead!
I'm being killed, guys! I'm being
So
killed!
that's how you would say it, right? How rude.
Save me!
If only we both had this game and we could play together and I like save you and like bust you out of jail and stuff, right?
Well, you do have this game.
Well, no, I don't. I've been playing on your copy, but on my account.
Oh, you need
Family
to get it.
sharing. Yeah, yeah. Well, we could kind of do that if we like partied up. We could do something like that.
No one's gonna save me.
If I was in your server, I would save you.
Well,
That'd be a fun little dynamic.
that would be.
You and I like playing together. The gurgles.
Oh, I
like,
know all the noises.
Like,
Oh no! Struggle! 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 Come on!
But would you agree that'd be a dope dynamic?
That would be.
Let's do
Alright, no, whatever. There's no one gonna save me. No one's gonna save me.
I like that idea, so let's do that.
Yeah, you can totally get that.
Hey, you know what I mean. I like the name Abusement Park. I'll just focus on that. It's a great username.
What?
His name is Abusement Park.
Oh.
Shout out. Go ahead and hit A.
Oh.
Or Y.
I wish I could snort those honkers.
Mm-hmm.
Hi guys, welcome.
How's it going? You ready to get spooked and stabbed? Spooky, scary skeleton.
Spooky, scary, spooky, scary, spooky, 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 spooky.
So, like, see, there's like a friends button there.
Yeah.
I could just always be sneaking around in the bushes and using you as bait. And
Why?
saving you. Oh, he's got the Scoops Ahoy outfit. That's hilarious.
Yes, that's hilarious.
I love it.
Oh my god, I'm terrible so far.
That's okay.
Oh my gosh, who's gonna be the killer? Sorry guys if I fuck up.
That's okay.
No, I'm telling my teammates.
Oh. They know what they signed up for. Facing Hillbilly. Hillbilly is equipped with a chainsaw that can smash pallets and put survivors in the dying state in one hit. While using his chainsaw, he moves at incredible speed, but is briefly stunned if he collides with objects or walls.
Alright, so I'll have to run around.
Yeah, like he's like a bull charging at you. Doggo is passed the fuck out. So I think like the type of thing that I would get would probably be like an office chair, to be honest, but one that can get really low. Start running, run. You hear the chainsaw? Run. Keep going. I would turn left. You're gonna kind of like an open area. He saw you. Okay, now you can repair it. You have a second.
Fuck.
Keep going. Fuck it. You got this. And just be ready. Left bumper, remember?
I know. Oh fuck.
Run.
Oh fuck.
Literally a dead end.
Ah!
Oh my god!
No! I died!
It's like, run. Okay, I'll run into this closet.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
I'll be able to wiggle out.
Nope. Alright.
Don't worry.
Oh, he's so scary.
So it's official. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna be on the laptop there.
Okay.
Now I gotta contemplate if I want another chair or not or something, you know?
Save me! Save me!
I've been stabbed.
I'm dying, guys. I'm
Does she have like a
bleeding.
fanny pack on?
She does.
What a nerd.
She does have a fanny pack
I'm
on.
trying to be rude while she's dying, but you know.
It's alright.
It's alright. She's a nerd.
Yay! Thank
Yay.
you!
okay. I'm running.
Oh,
Okay,
good.
okay, alright, good. Hopefully this person doesn't. Oh my god! They already fucked up. Before I could even say, hopefully they don't fuck up. That's not a fanny pack, that's a utility belt. Alright, I'll take your word on it. It's the same type of mentality of like, it's not a man purse, it's a satchel.
Yes.
Alright, there's that guy who's got hooks. Go get him.
Yeah, but I'm gonna give it some time.
No, he's run away. The enemy ran away from him.
Yeah, but we haven't even gotten any generators.
Good point. Someone else can get him.
Oh fuck. Shut up.
I said nothing. It's a tactical military handbag.
Oh my god.
So true, Nick. Ready? The guy's coming.
Ah!
Oh my god!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god.
Can't find you. Oh, we got you!
Oh no! No!
No! There's no piggies, that's why. There's no piggies to save you.
No piggies! No! Oh.
Oh my god.
What?
No way. One of these 12 and he's 6'4".
Okay, that's cool.
Anyway, moving on. I did have one friend when I was like in middle school who was like extra tall. Someone might get you.
No.
There's 3 other people up and walking around.
Come on, guys!
See? Okay,
Oh, thank God.
God.
Heal me and don't be mean to me.
Seaplane McDonough.
Thanks for healing me. Don't smack me, though.
Please don't smack.
Please don't stab
No
me.
smacky. Oh, thank God. Now you can run. Just follow someone if you can.
No, I'm gonna go my own way.
Okay. Do your thing.
Oh.
Guy over there is hooked. You can try to get him.
Oh fuck. Someone else got hooked. No! Hold on! I'm coming to save
You're
you!
almost there.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, run.
Ah!
At least you got him down. Oh, God. You capping right now? I don't know.
No!
Immediately stabbed.
Oh, that was terrible.
Okay. That's okay. That was a good run. You gave him a run for his money.
I did.
And even if you don't survive, like, you're in a horror movie game. So there will be deaths. It happens.
That was terrifying.
It's about the chase rather than the kills or the escapes. It's about the chase. You want to have a game where I play and you watch? Okay. You just react. Just make sure you're watching and, like, you know, you're present. Let me see how good I am.
Papa Punga's gonna play, guys, and we'll see how good he is.
What's up?
It's about the rush. Yes, it is.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, it is. Oh my god.
Let's see. What Survivor?
Oh my god.
Jake. Clark. you want to be?
Who do you want to be? Because I'm Meg Thomas. I work on Meg Thomas. Who do you want to be?
Alright. You be Meg Thomas, and I'll be Bill or David.
Be Bill.
Okay. Got it.
No, you kid Meg Thomas.
Yeah, yeah, you will be Meg Thomas.
Yeah, but why are you playing as her right now?
Because this is your account.
Oh.
Nancy Wheeler. Oh shit, it's the female from Stranger Things.
Oh god.
That's pretty cool. I love Stranger Things.
Oh my gosh. We will not have that kind of language on my stream.
They're just talking about Juul, which is like vape stuff.
Yeah, I don't care about that. I don't want that on my stream.
Yeah.
That's drugs. I don't want to talk about drugs on my stream. Oh my god.
Don't worry about it.
I'm not.
So it's cool. There's Steve and Nancy in the same match. Imagine if there was other Stranger Things characters.
It's cool. I don't care.
I really should be doing these like offerings, but whatever. Offerings oftentimes like make you way more advantaged.
Oh, I'm sorry, little one. Not funny, don't laugh. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry to hear that, little one. Hopefully I can survive this time.
Hopefully, because I've only won once. And that was when I said, screw you all, I'm out.
Yeah. So, also, I don't have any upgrades on your Meg Thomas.
Wow. Bet you we could have some upgrades on her, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Where are you going? I wonder who the killer is.
I don't know, but we'll find out. Just kind of like checking out the area. Steve and whoever that is, Nancy, I think, just jumped down.
Yeah.
They're being chased right now. It's the Huntress.
Oh, I hate the Hunters. Oh, I bet he was, little one.
Okay, so the Huntress went that way. So I'm gonna take this on.
Hey, GameSpec, how are ya?
How's it going, GameSpec HD? Welcome back. Let's see how I do at these quick time events.
Let's see if you can. Let's see if you're better at it than I am. Papa Punga's playing right now. Oh, did you run away? It's a dead end, you fool. Oh, no, you're good. Who the heck is... Oh, it's her. She gonna find you! She found you!
Damn it, why did I do that?
Yeah, why did you do that?
No!
You terrible! Wiggle! Wiggle!
Ah!
Wiggle!
I just kept on tapping the button that,
Oh my god.
I wonder if I could get out.
I'm sorry, little one.
Those guys are all so far away.
I know, they won't
Hopefully
make
they'll come
it.
to me. This is why we gotta be playing together, so we could be like, you know,
Hanging out
on
together.
the same team. Like, getting each other, breaking each other out of jail, you know?
Yeah.
It'd be dope. Eventually someone will come for me.
I hope so.
It's too bad there's no ways to like chat, like, hey, come get me.
Mm-hmm.
Dingus?
That would be nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Bleh.
Yeah.
That
The
noise.
Yeah. I wonder if they got sound-alikes for the.
Oh, struggle! Struggle!
I wonder if they got sound-alikes for the Stranger Things cast.
Hey!
How's it going?
How you doing?
Are we engaged?
Oh my god, struggle!
I'm struggling. I don't know if they're even coming or not.
No, they don't look
Maybe
like
that guy.
What's up? Not much. Just
Not
watching
much.
Papa Punga almost die.
Almost dying.
And get stabbed.
You know. Almost. Okay, good. Now I run.
Someone else. Who's Papa Punga? Papa Punga is my husband.
This voiceless man.
Voiceless man who is my husband. Is
headless voice, bodiless voice.
Boyce?
Voice.
Boyce? That's almost as bad as Piggies will save me.
Piggies will save me.
Yes.
Oh, that guy just died. Shit.
The Huntress is
Okay.
good.
This Huntress is good, yeah.
Okay.
But I'm better. E. Yes, that's my favorite letter.
Woo!
I did that with literally without even looking.
Good job.
I'm so lucky.
Oh, you fuck
I'm
up.
not so great there.
Maybe if you're not looking, you'll do it. Hi from Brazil. Hi.
Hi.
She gonna beat you up. Oh, she's coming right at you.
She's coming right at me. Oh shit. That's kind of an obvious one, huh?
She found you.
She found me. We were both terrible. Oh!
At least you survived longer than I did.
That's okay.
Alright.
There you go.
My turn.
Your turn.
My turn.
Do you want anything caffeinated, like soda? You good?
We don't have any caffeinated soda.
Maybe Diet Coke?
Yeah, but I'm not drinking Diet Coke.
Okay. Maybe it's for the best. Don't need to drink too much stuff like that, you know? Hit Y. We
It's
can level up.
11:22 p.m. for me. Why are you still up then?
You know, time is relative. Depends on when we all, you know, do our thing.
I go to bed around like 12.
We wake up like really early.
We do.
So it's all relative.
I go to bed around like 12 or 1.
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe if I'm not feeling well too. Oh no! I have some.
Just unlock all of them without even thinking.
Oh my god.
Just hit B. Okay. Now you can select them. Hold it. Now you select the other.
Yay!
You did it.
What's this?
Ball the Laurel Sachet.
I don't have enough. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. Well, at least your player, your level 2, Meg Thomas.
Yay!
Get some little bonuses.
Bye! Hope you have a good night.
Mm-hmm. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for tuning in to the Snort House.
So you know what's just as crazy as actually escaping?
What?
Is getting through like the one hidden doorway on the map.
I've gone through the hidden doorway.
Have you seen it?
No, remember that one time when I was playing and I didn't save anyone? I just ran right through the doorway.
Oh, that's well, yeah, but there's a hidden doorway.
Oh, the hidden doorway.
There's one that's just like a little trap door in the ground.
Oh,
to a
that one
sewer.
would probably be harder. But
Yeah, you have to like search around for.
Oh my gosh, where am I?
Some sort of lab.
Underground. Oh Jesus.
Oh.
Oh.
Hawkins National. I think this is Stranger. Okay, well, I'm not sure, but I think this is Stranger Things.
Oh. Oh, I can't get out that way. Oh, damn it.
Getting that. It's coming closer. You hear it?
I do. Oh! So scary.
Where could he be?
I don't know. Oh, fucker.
This person's right here. Okay, go follow there.
No.
No.
I heard that. I hear that sound.
No one can, you know, kill you if you're just in the fucking closet the whole time.
Yep.
Someone got hooked.
Yep.
Uh-oh. Find somewhere to hide. Try to get to the hook guy. Oh my god, someone's dead.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, this is so scary.
You can get out.
He's coming straight at me.
No, you're safe. Go. No one's ever gonna hurt you.
Oh, fuck.
You're perfectly safe.
No, he's coming.
He's coming. You can hear him, yeah.
I'm gonna stay right here. Oh, he just passed me. Oh.
He just passed you?
I think he just did.
He got someone, and...
Oh no! Crow, go away!
This crow just flying through the ceiling. The hell?
Oh no.
Danger crow.
Oh my god!
Just go.
The crows are just like following my head. You see this?
Yeah.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Go to the hooked person.
Oh my god! I have crows around my head! Where are you, hooked person?
Right there.
Ah!
Oh, at least you got him.
No!
You basically just swap places with that person on the hook. And that, hopefully they'll get you unhooked right now.
She better run away! Oh, there she is. Oh, she gonna play Ring Around the Rosie?
Ring around the Rosie for sure. And meanwhile, people are getting the generators, so it's a good distraction. Dude, Ring Around the Rosie with the murderer while people can slowly but surely get them. The generators. Okay, now you run.
Oh, shit.
So many crows.
Guess that's the door.
You went this way last time.
I know.
And you went that way last time too.
Shut up. It works. I'm better with the like outdoor because everything. Oh.
You feel a little confined in here?
I do.
The hallways, he's going to get you.
He is. Hey, leave doggo alone.
His head was up.
Oh.
He wasn't sleeping.
Okay. Alright, let's go this way. Can I mend myself? No, I can't.
No, not unless you had a medic pack.
Okay. Ooh.
Coming for you. You should run.
Ah!
You could almost have pulled that over.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Get ready to wiggle.
No!
And this is right where you got hooked last time too. I think.
Struggle, struggle, struggle. People save me,
You can do
save me.
this.
No!
Oh!
Oh.
Oh. If we're gonna have Pumpkin in the camera, we should think about like doing a little Sharpie face on him.
Yes.
For funsies.
Yes. Oh, I sacrificed myself.
And we could do a little mini face on the little mini pumpkin there
We
too.
could. I did pretty well.
Yeah.
Yay!
You do what?
My score is 20. I'm ranked 20.
Your character rank?
Yeah. Okay.
You got this.
You want to get me a Scooby snack?
I like how your tongue is out. It's like, eh. Okay. I will get you a Scooby snack.
Thank you. Alright. Oh, I'm terrible, guys. Like, I'm terrible.
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 Okay.
Do you think I can do it?
I think you can. I believe in you.
You believe in me?
I believe in you.
Hey! Oh, doggo's getting water. You know what? We're good.
What?
Those honey sesame sticks.
They were very good.
I feel like we should buy more of those. I bet you those are healthy.
I don't know about that, but I like them.
Alright, I'm starting. Oh my god, I'm scared.
Go get stabbed.
Shush.
Okay. Go.
Oh. I could have had an ice cream, but that's okay. I wanted a Scooby snake.
Scooby.
Scooby Dooby. Oh my god, it's an asylum. Oh my gosh, so many scary noises. Oh!
Oh my god.
Ah! I thought I hid from her, but I guess not!
You almost made it.
Oh, I escaped from
Wait.
her.
You might be able to get away. Maybe you lost her.
Maybe I did. Uh-oh. There's someone literally...
Someone what?
I can hear her and the guy's like freaking out. Oh. He's coming. my god. She's so close.
They have really basic gaming chairs on Amazon.
They do.
They even have some that you can put your feet out.
That'd be good. Okay, I'm gonna escape. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god, I'm scared. Babe, I'm scared.
You got it. You did it!
I did it!
Okay, now just do it again.
Ah!
Oh.
Oh well. Anyone in chat?
Alright now.
Oh fuck.
You did it. They're gonna try to help you. They're pointing. What are they pointing at? Run. Run away. They meant to signal for something.
Oh, I hear her.
Oh, Jesus, run. Maybe you'll lose a person.
Oh. Did I lose him? Oh no. Oh! Someone got hit.
You know what I might do? Is I might take that office chair in the guest bedroom and take the back off of it. So it's literally just a butt rest.
Oh
My god. You're so lucky. So lucky. Oh, they just got another generator. Alright. You're cursed.
Why?
I don't know. Whatever the icon is in the bottom right. I'm assuming that means cursed. Go left, or run away. Don't go forward. Don't go where you're going now. Go the opposite. They're nearby, so run.
Oh, my butt just had a butt spasm.
You had a butt spasm?
I just had a butt spasm. I'm so scared.
Butt spasm on stream.
I did.
Hashtag butt spasm.
Blossom.
Spasm. Splosm.
Blossom. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh shit, where are you coming from? Run away. Okay. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh shit. Go back out. Be a good civilian and help the other people. Okay. Oh, but I'm injured. Where are you hurt?
You just got smacked. You don't have like a broken bone or anything, you just have damage.
No, but I'm talking about the other person who got hooked. I'm trying to help you. Oh, there you
There. There you go.
go. Oh, fuck.
They're right next to him. Pull down. Oh no.
No!
It's okay. You just got stabbed. No big deal. Close up on the butt.
Oh my god, I'm so close!
You can almost do it. You can almost do it. Okay, now run. Run. I can't believe you actually got away from that time.
There's the door.
Now turn right.
Oh my god, they're after me!
Oh my god, it's a circus.
Oh my god!
Turn.
Ah!
If you see pull down, press the button.
Oh my god!
Some sort of horsey. Probably animatronic.
Oh no! She got me!
You're down to one generator.
2.
Well, they're about to get one right now. You wiggled away last time. You won't be able to wiggle away again.
No!
Okay, well they're coming for you though. Don't worry. Oh my god, you might actually get out. They just got all of them.
And I know where the exit is.
Yeah. It's off to the right. Now run.
Is it that way?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, it's right there.
And go do the door. You're gonna have to hold it. At the very least, you might be able to help them get away. Okay, now go through the door as soon as this thing lets you. Oh my god, get out! Run! Oh my god! Woo! You did it! High five! Oh my god! Oh, that was exhilarating. I can't believe you did it.
Oh, that was so scary.
Oh man. I just wish I could have helped you with that. You know what I mean?
Alright. Alright. On that note, we're gonna quit.
Let's end while we're ahead.
Yes, that was
Okay,
amazing. Hold on, let me
continue.
see something. Let me see how many blood points I got.
Yeah. That was exciting.
Oh, that was so terrifying.
I don't, but you want the barely scratch?
Yay! Alright, guys, on that note, we're gonna take a break.
Uh-huh.
And move on to just chatting.
Move on to just chatting. So, thank you very much for watching that. We're gonna
Hope you guys all enjoy.